In a world bound by the ticking clock, we have been conditioned to believe that our income is directly tied to the hours we spend at a desk. The traditional grind demands your constant presence, your physical energy, and your undivided attention. But this cycle often leads to a ceiling on your potential. Look around. The architecture of labor is shifting, while most people are sleeping. A silent revolution of automated systems is generating value across the globe. Imagine a business that doesn't need your permission to grow, a digital empire that operates with precision, speed, and tireless efficiency 24 hours a day. This is the transition from manual execution to systemic architecture. It is the shift from being the engine to becoming the designer of the machine. The digital shift starts with a change in perspective. You are no longer trading your time for money. You are building assets that generate value independently. Automation is the cornerstone of the modern empire. It handles the mundane, the repetitive, and the logistical, leaving you free to focus on high-level strategy. Every notification of the sale, every new subscriber, every automated workflow is a brick in your digital fortress. It's happening right now. Even as you watch, the decoupling of time from income is the ultimate financial freedom. When your systems work for you, your potential for growth becomes truly infinite. Let's look at the mechanics of these passive systems. They are built on robust code, intelligent funnels, and scalable cloud-based infrastructure. Servers humming in cool blue environments are the new factories. They don't require breaks. They don't get tired, and they scale with a few clicks. Scalability is why the digital empire wins. In a traditional model, doubling your output requires doubling your effort. Here, it simply requires expanding your bandwidth. The global marketplace never closes. While it's midnight in your city, your business is engaging with customers on the other side of the planet. This is the call to freedom. It is not about working less. It's about working once and benefiting forever from what you have created. True freedom is the ability to choose how you spend your days. Knowing your systems are protecting your future and building your legacy. The tools are available. The infrastructure is ready. The only thing missing is the architect. Will you stay in the grind, or will you build? Build your digital empire. Secure your freedom. The world of automated business is waiting for you to take the first step.